Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting and prepping the fish. This matters because freshness determines texture and safety. Once you have 2 tuna steaks, pat them dry and trim any silver skin. Make sure to remove excess moisture so the sear works. If you choose a quick brine, dissolve 1/2 cup salt in 4 cups water, submerge for 15-20 minutes, then rinse and dry. Meanwhile, heat a heavy skillet until smoking slightly to get a crisp crust. You now focus on flavor and heat control because timing is everything for tuna. Once the skillet is hot and the oil shimmers, place the steak down and resist flipping. A single flip preserves a clean, rare center. Sear for about 1:1. 5 minutes per side for rare, longer for medium, and check with an instant-read thermometer aiming for 125-135 degrees F. If you want crusted tuna, press in sesame or spice. You finish by resting and slicing, because carryover heat completes the cook and improves texture. Once done, transfer steaks to a rack or plate for 3 to 5 minutes, then slice across the grain into thin 1/4-inch pieces to highlight the tender interior. Serve with an acidic component like lemon or a soy-based dressing to balance oiliness. If it comes out dry, make sure to reduce sear time, lower heat a bit, or use a short brine next time. Those adjustments correct common mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.